How about if our given equation is in this form? First and foremost is to rewrite the given equations before we identify the value of your constant, which is A, B, and C. So to identify for that, we have to rewrite 12x squared, which is equals to 18. And this will become 12x squared minus 18. Paano nangyari yun? Dito kasi, yung 18 positive na sa right side, pag nilipat po natin sa kabila, tatandaan, yung kanyang magiging sign ay magiging opposite po nun. So since this is positive, it will become negative. Kaya nung nilipat natin sa 18, naging negative 18. So pagkatapos natin i-rewrite yung equation, we have to observe kung meron po bang quadratic term, meron po bang linear term, at merong constant term. By the way, yung linear term ay tinatawag din po natin itong middle term. So we have here the quadratic form that's equals to x squared. Then wala po tayong linear term or the middle term, pero meron tayong constant. And therefore, pagdating po sa linear term, magiging 0 po yan. So dito we have 12, then linear term is 0, and our constant is 18 negative. Next is to rewrite again x squared plus 9x is equals to negative 81. So again, ang ating pong rule, kuhanin natin yung opposite sign nito, this will become positive. Kaya po magiging positive 81 na po yun pag nilipat po natin sa kabila. Then this, we have to equate this as equals to 0. So complete naman po sila, just identify the constant. We have here 1, then 9, and 81. Next, transpose or lipat po natin si 1/4. That's positive. This will become negative 1/4. At kung mapapansin po natin, ang nawawala yung constant. We have here the quadratic form, we have the linear or the middle term, at yung constant yung kanyang nawawala. So yung constant magiging 0 po yan. And therefore, ang atin pong magiging quadratic term is 1. Then we have our 1/4 as middle term and 0 is our constant. For the next problem, we have 36, that's positive, it will become negative. So, lipat po sa kabila. Kaya po magiging negative po yan. So, ang ating magiging sagot is, we have here 8, 12, and we have 36 negative. Now, for the next problem, we have first to simplify this. We just multiply 3x times 3, that's equals to 3x squared. Then 3 times negative 4, that's equals to negative 12x. Right after that, yung 24 lipat natin dito sa kabila, since that is positive, magiging negative po yun. So this will become in this form. Then identify the value of A, B, and your C. Have a nice day. Good luck.